the best online job opportunities in 2022. Today, people are abandoning traditional professions and creating their own online money-making opportunities. It seems like everyone has a side hustle these days, and for a good reason. If you work independently, there are plenty of opportunities to make money online. More and more full-time permanent jobs are being created as a result of an increasingly digital world. There are thousands of open jobs waiting for you in almost every industry. More importantly, most of these jobs are looking for professionals with experience and skills. There's never been a better time than now to find your dream career, even if you have no experience at all. Hi, welcome back to Finance Sense, where we cover all the latest trends in the financial markets and the economy. Would you like to learn about the best online job opportunities this year? If yes, then this video is for you. But before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to stay updated with our videos. That said, let's start. Number 1. Online tutor. This job can be ideal for you if you have working qualifications in math, physics, English, or any other foreign language. Since most companies need teachers to have a bachelor's degree, make sure to take care of this before you apply. Your chances of finding work as an online instructor may improve if you have teaching certifications in ESL or any other subject. There is a tremendous need for information, and you can teach students all around the world thanks to the power of the internet. Number 2. Personal trainer. Fitness enthusiasts with a solid educational background and a thorough awareness of safe training methods may be able to turn their interest into a side business and an internet career. Anyone can work as a personal trainer. However, getting a certification from a nearby institution or an online school is highly advisable. You may grow your business and train clients worldwide through social media and online coaching platforms. Depending on your reputation, a session with a personal trainer may cost up to $70. Number 3. Social media marketing. The nice thing about social media marketing is that you can get started without prior experience. It's a great path to starting an internet career. You might start small and work your way up to the social media ladder. However, you can find any type of online work if you have expertise running or posting on social media platforms, especially on marketing teams. In order to promote their products on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and others, businesses are always searching for assistance. Additionally, companies will need help running their social media platforms. Number 4. Recruiter. With more flexible hours and work locations, many recruiters now do their business online. And it's a good deal at $40 per hour. The good news is that becoming a recruiter doesn't require any specific training. As a recruiter, you'll probably be in charge of doing the initial phone interview with candidates to help the business pre-screen applications. Then, you'll send the top applicants to the company for recruiting purposes. Number 5. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are quickly gaining popularity. A fundamental skill set and a knack for organizing are all you need to become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants spend most of their time behind a computer, responding to emails, making calls, arranging flights, and dealing with emails. Although many virtual assistants only work a few hours a week, some may do so full-time. This career works well for people who must balance several jobs or family responsibilities while still wanting to make ends meet. On the other hand, if you work at these jobs for a while and gain experience, they can also be quite rewarding. A virtual assistant may earn between $10 and $35 per hour. Number 6. Data entry worker. Whether part-time or full-time, data entry jobs are a popular method to earn money from the comfort of your home. You will be required to input symbolic, numerical, or alphabetic data into a specific system as part of your job. Even though this type of online work might not sound very satisfying, you could make a fair living if you work efficiently. You may also accomplish data entry tasks on any schedule using Microsoft Word or Excel. Number 7. Email marketer. Email marketing requires creating interesting subject lines and email content. Businesses will invest a lot of money in email marketing to make money online. This is one profession that needs prior experience and certifications, especially in content development and marketing. If you can show your ability to persuade recipients to open or read the email, you can try to land long-term contracts to work on email marketing for businesses. Email marketers typically make $30 to $40 per hour. Number 8. Content writer. There are virtually a number of jobs for content writers available online. If you're a good writer, you'll not only have numerous opportunities but also a wide range of choices. For instance, you might write content for various blogs, magazines, journals, etc. Because of the strong need for writers as businesses create content for audiences, freelancing may also pay exceptionally well. Number 9. Transcriptionist. If you're looking for a flexible online job that requires little to no experience, being a transcriptionist is one way to go. You will be responsible for listening to audio recordings and transcribing them precisely as they are said. Anyone can perform this task, of course, but it's much easier if you type quickly and pay special attention to small details. Since it can be challenging for lengthy periods, only a few people choose to work as transcriptionists. But if you have lightning-quick typing skills, it can be a reliable source of income for people of all skill levels. Number 10. Graphic designer. Working as a graphic designer will be a fantastic choice if you have an eye for design. Working as a graphic designer online may be financially rewarding and offer growth potential for those with a background in design. A working understanding of Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop is a crucial skill for graphic designers. Many businesses use graphic designers to help with a variety of responsibilities, including developing marketing campaigns and redesigning web content. Number 11. Chat agent. Being a chat agent is a career for you if you already spend hours at a time messaging on your phone. Like customer service agents, chat agents don't need a lot of specific training to start their jobs. An online chat agent is an excellent substitute for a customer service agent. Chat agents will work online to offer businesses text-based chat options for customer service. You'll frequently spend a long time managing several chats at once. A chat agent career may be a good fit for you if you don't have a private workplace or if you presently spend a lot of time in front of a computer. Number 12. Customer service representative. Many customer service representatives now work remotely. Several opportunities are available for persons with excellent written and vocal communication abilities. If you decide to work as a customer care representative, remember that you will most likely need to go through weeks of brand-specific training before you get to work. This is done so that you may understand the specifics of the business, such as how they respond to specific inquiries. You can pick a schedule from various shifts offered throughout the day. This position can be ideal for you if you enjoy speaking with people and have a quiet area to accept calls. Number 13. Bookkeeper. To track and manage their finances, most businesses need bookkeepers' assistance. Bookkeepers are responsible for invoicing clients, monitoring income and expenses, and producing financial reports. Find your first online bookkeeping job by contacting nearby businesses or browsing their websites. Number 14. Photographer. Most individuals would argue that stock photography isn't an online job because it's done in person. However, it's not entirely true. You may sell the images lying around on your hard drive online. You can explore your archives and sell the photographs online, assuming you took them outside the contract. You may sell your photos on several online markets, including iStock. Number 15. Freelance writer. You may write for a living from any place, including your home. You may consider a job in content writing, technical writing, ghostwriting, or copywriting. For the best results, you'll need to specialize since this will allow you to become more knowledgeable about your topic and craft a more convincing pitch. You may search for a freelance job in a variety of ways. One way is to make a profile on a freelancing website such as Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, or Freelancer. You can also search for career opportunities on FlexJobs, Blogging Pro, and Pro Blogger. Thank you for watching this far. Please leave a like, subscribe to help us expand our future audience, and comment down your thoughts in the comments section. This is Finance Sense, helping you keep up with all the latest trends in the financial markets and the economy. Stay safe and look out for the next video.